Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing dropshipping, a popular business model that has been gaining a lot of attention and traction in recent years. If you're interested in starting an online business but don't want to deal with the hassle and expense of holding inventory, dropshipping may be the perfect solution for you. With this model, you can sell products without ever physically handling them. Instead, when a customer places an order on your website, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the world of dropshipping. We'll cover the basics of how it works, how to get started, and some product recommendations to help you get started on the right track. We'll also discuss some tips and tricks to help you succeed with dropshipping, including how to select the right niche, how to find reputable suppliers, and how to optimize your website for conversions. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. We post new videos every week about e-commerce and online business, so don't miss out on our latest content. With that said, let's get started. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without physically holding any inventory. This means that when a customer places an order on your website, you don't actually have the product on hand. Instead, you forward the order details to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. In more traditional retail models, businesses have to invest a significant amount of money in inventory up front before they can start selling products. However, with dropshipping, you don't have to worry about that. You only order products from your supplier when a customer has placed an order on your website, meaning you don't have to hold onto any inventory or worry about products going out of stock. Dropshipping has become an attractive option for many entrepreneurs due to its low startup costs and ease of entry. Compared to other e-commerce models, dropshipping requires very little upfront investment. You don't have to buy products in bulk or rent a warehouse to store them in. All you need is a website, a supplier, and a platform to process orders and payments. Another advantage of dropshipping is that it allows you to test out different product lines without committing to large amounts of inventory. You can easily add or remove products from your website depending on customer demand or changing trends. However, there are some potential downsides to dropshipping as well. Since you are not in control of the shipping process, you may encounter issues such as delays, lost packages, or products arriving damaged. Additionally, because dropshipping has become such a popular business model, competition can be fierce, and profit margins may be low. Despite these potential challenges, dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. In the next section, we'll go over how to get started with dropshipping and find a supplier. Second is getting started with dropshipping. Now that you understand how dropshipping works, let's discuss how to get started with this business model. The first step is to choose a niche and find a supplier. Choosing a niche. When selecting a niche for your dropshipping business, it's important to choose a product line that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make it easier to create engaging content and build a strong brand around your products. Additionally, it's important to choose a niche that has a strong demand in the market. Conduct research to determine if there is a significant audience for the products you want to sell. You can use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to gauge interest in your niche. Finding a supplier. Once you have selected your niche, it's time to find a supplier to work with. There are several ways to find a reputable supplier, including online directories. There are several online directories that list suppliers and manufacturers for different product categories. Some popular directories include Alibaba, AliExpress, and Sale.hu. Contacting manufacturers directly. If you have a specific product in mind, you can contact the manufacturer directly to see if they offer dropshipping services. This can be a more challenging approach, but it allows you to establish a direct relationship with the supplier. Trade shows. Attending trade shows can be a great way to meet potential suppliers in person and establish relationships. It's important to thoroughly vet any potential suppliers to ensure that they are reputable and reliable. Look for suppliers who offer competitive pricing, quality products, and timely shipping. Setting up your website. Once you have selected your niche and found a supplier, it's time to set up your website. There are several e-commerce platforms that you can use to create an online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. When setting up your website, make sure to choose a clean and professional design that highlights your products. You should also optimize your website for conversions by including clear calls to action, customer reviews, and high-quality product images. Processing orders and payments. Finally, you need to set up a system for processing orders and payments. Most e-commerce platforms come with built-in payment processing features, or you can use a third-party payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. It's important to have a clear and streamlined process for processing orders and communicating with your supplier to ensure that orders are fulfilled promptly and accurately. Third is product recommendations for dropshipping. When it comes to selecting products to sell through dropshipping, it's important to choose items that are in demand and have a reasonable profit margin. Here are some popular product categories to consider. Fashion and accessories. Clothing, shoes, jewelry, and other fashion accessories are always in high demand. Beauty and personal care. Skincare, makeup, and other personal care products are also popular items for dropshipping. Home goods. Products for the home, such as furniture, decor, and kitchenware, are also popular choices for dropshipping. Electronics. Gadgets and electronics, such as smartphones and laptops, can also be profitable products to sell through dropshipping. When selecting products to sell, it's important to consider the competition and market saturation for your chosen niche. Look for unique products or sub-niches that are underserved by other dropshippers. It's also important to choose products with a reasonable profit margin. You should aim for a profit margin of at least 30% to ensure that your business is sustainable. In addition to product selection, it's important to focus on customer service and building a strong brand. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and reviews, and consider offering perks such as free shipping or returns to build customer loyalty. Next is making a profit. One of the most important aspects of running a successful dropshipping business is pricing your products competitively to make a profit. While dropshipping can be a profitable business model, it's important to keep in mind that your profit margins may be lower than traditional retailers since you don't have the same overhead costs. To determine the best pricing strategy for your products, it's important to research your competitors' prices and adjust your prices accordingly. You can use tools like Google Shopping, Amazon, and eBay to see how much other retailers are charging for similar products. It's also important to keep in mind that customers are often willing to pay more for products if they perceive them to be of higher quality or value. Focus on offering high-quality products and providing exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base that is willing to pay a premium for your products. Another important factor to consider when pricing your products is shipping costs. Since you'll be relying on your supplier to handle shipping, it's important to factor in shipping costs when setting your prices. You can either include shipping costs in the price of the product or charge customers separately for shipping. It's also important to consider your profit margins when setting your prices. As mentioned earlier, a healthy profit margin for a dropshipping business is around 30%. Keep a close eye on your expenses, including product costs, marketing expenses, and any other overhead costs, and adjust your prices as needed to maintain healthy profit margins. One strategy that many dropshippers use to increase their profit margins is to focus on selling high-ticket items with higher profit margins. While it may be more challenging to sell expensive products, the higher profit margins can make it worth the effort. In conclusion, pricing your products competitively is a crucial aspect of running a profitable dropshipping business. By researching your competitors' prices, focusing on high-quality products and exceptional customer service, factoring in shipping costs, and keeping a close eye on your profit margins, you can set your business up for long-term success. Last is tips for success dropshipping. When it comes to dropshipping, success is all about building a strong foundation and continuously optimizing your business. Here are some additional tips to help you achieve success. Choose profitable niches. Not all products are created equal. Research profitable niches and choose products that have high profit margins and low competition. Offer free shipping. Customers love free shipping, and it can be a great way to increase your conversion rates. Consider offering free shipping on all orders, or setting a minimum order amount to qualify for free shipping. Streamline your operations. As your business grows, it's important to streamline your operations to minimize costs and maximize efficiency. Automate your order processing, and consider using fulfillment centers to handle your shipping and handling. Stay organized. Keeping track of inventory, sales, and customer data can be overwhelming. Use tools like inventory management software and customer relationship management software to stay organized and manage your business effectively. Network with other dropshippers. Networking with other dropshippers can provide valuable insights and support. Join online forums and social media groups to connect with others in the industry. Stay up to date with industry trends. The e-commerce industry is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and changes is essential to staying ahead of the competition. Attend industry events and conferences, read industry publications, and stay informed about the latest news and developments. By following these tips and strategies, you can build a successful and profitable dropshipping business. Keep in mind that success takes time and effort, but with the right approach and mindset, you can achieve your goals and build a thriving online business.